back, everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop, and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. So, very quick introduction this week. I wanted to show you two of my new, it's going to be a new range called Wildscapes. These are for Marvelous Mags and King Louis. They're already bought, obviously, and I've sent them away. Hopefully they'll have arrived now, so you can open them, Louis and Mags, as this goes on. So you can watch your coffee break and open your painting at the same time. So yeah, two paintings today. These are animals with sort of home environment blended into their fur, and I'm dying to do more. So if you've got a spirit animal that means something to you, and you want something painted that's similar to this, then just let me know. I'm dying to paint an eagle, lions and tigers and bears, oh my. So let me know if you'd like something like this, and I'll get straight to it. Little Skitsy has heard that it's Wildscape week, so she's wanting to come along and say hi. And yeah, I'm gonna have to paint Skitsy as well on it one day. Oh, Skits. Anyway, put your butt down. Put your butt down. Put it down. Control this. So yeah, very quick introduction. I just wanted to show off this new range, and it'll be a range that continues maybe in the new year. And the only other thing I wanted to mention was that this week is the Super Wheel competition in the Facebook group. There's not many people left on the wheel, so I thought I'd add a slot saying everyone's a winner. So if it lands on that, everyone gets the painting of their choice, and they only have to pay £250, like I say, instead of that £720 minimum that I usually charge for that size commission. Let's spin the wheel, shall we, and see who won this week. Well done to you. I shall be in touch with you, or both of you, or all of you, depending on what that landed on. I am up to something, and you'll see next week. Tune in next week for a very special painting that I'm doing. I can't say much, but be sure to tune in for that. Right, it's Coffee Break Thursday, and to do, pop that kettle on, mix up a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, pop your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Cheers. Let's get wild.